What's up guys, Guggen Barbecue here, and today we've got two ribeyes that we're going to cook like a brisket. If you guys have ever wondered what would happen if you tried to do this with two steaks, then stay tuned and let's find out together. So on the left, we've got a really nice prime grade ribeye, and on the right, we have a choice grade ribeye with a lot less fat marbling. So I want to cook these just like a brisket, and I want to see the difference between the two. Obviously, the prime grade ribeye is going to probably be a better end product than the choice grade. But just to see what you can get away with, we're going to do it with both of these steaks. So I'm going to put a little rub on here. I'm using Lane's brisket rub. It's really tasty and it should give a really good flavor to these steaks. So we're going to get that on both sides and around the edges and get ready to put this on the smoker. That's looking pretty good. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our Meter Plus in here so we can monitor temperatures while we are hanging out inside doing some other projects. So I've got a new addition to the barbecue family here. We've got a Smokin' Tex 1100. It's a little smoker, but it'll be perfect for what we're doing today. And I've got it rolling at 225 degrees. So that's where we're going to keep temperatures at for the remainder of the cook. So we're going to go ahead and place these inside the Smokin' Tex smoker, and then we'll close it up. And I'm not going to open the smoker again until everything's ready and the ribeyes have come up to about 200, 205 degrees. Obviously I'm going to go for probe tenderness, but I'm going to start checking, I don't know, around 195 and just make sure that they come up to the proper temperature. So we've got those both on there. And we'll check back probably in a couple hours. I really don't know how long this is going to take, but since they are pretty small pieces of meat in comparison to a brisket, it shouldn't take too long, but we're just going to have to find out. Okay, holy moly guys, this has taken way longer than I expected. I thought this would maybe take 2.5 hours. We're at 4 hours and 18 minutes, and this thing still has a little bit to go. So we're almost there. We'll check back in a little bit and see where we're at. Alright guys, so we're finally done here. Let's open the smoker up and let's get these ribeye steaks off. I apologize for the lighting. It is way later than I expected to get this done at, but we're just going to have to make do with what we've got. So let's pull these suckers off, slice them up, and see what we got going on. It looks pretty good. I mean, the lighting makes it look a lot more orange than it is. It kind of just looks like, you know, a brisket. Doesn't have the best bark on it, but looks pretty good. We'll close that smoker up, and let's take a look over here on the cutting board. So I've got our choice grade here on the right, and we have our prime grade over here on the left. Let's go ahead and we'll start with this choice grade. We'll just slice it right in half, and we'll see what it looks like. So not much of a smoke ring. It does look a little dry. Let's go ahead and cut into this prime grade ribeye and see what it looks like. Ooh, it's still a little hot. Let's see if we can get this probe out here before I burn myself anymore. All right, we got that out of there. Let's continue cutting this thing up. So cutting through this one, it definitely felt a little bit more tender. And I don't know if you guys can see very well just because of the lighting, but it's definitely juicier. It doesn't look as dry as that choice grade that we have over here on the right. So there's the choice grade. You can see very, very dry, kind of beef jerky like. And then there's the prime grade. Still a little dry looking, but definitely way more moisture. So I'm giving a taste test here with the choice grade. It's not very good, guys. Not very good at all. Alright, let's give a taste test with the prime grade. So this one definitely had a lot better flavor, a lot more moisture, still a lot of fat in there. And if you're going to give this a try, then you're definitely going to want to use a steak with a ton of fat. Make sure it has beautiful marbling. The choice grade's not worth cooking at all, but overall I'm glad I tried it. It's always been in the back of my mind. I've always wondered what would happen if you cooked a ribeye steak like a brisket, and now we all know. So probably not worth it, but a really fun experiment. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.